These Thermocol DIY object videos are going absolutely insane all over social media right now. And the craziest part, this niche is still incredibly new, which means most people don't even know it exists yet. That's exactly why now is the perfect time to jump in before everyone else catches on. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create videos like these without spending a single dollar. Yep, completely free. So grab your coffee, stop overthinking, and let's get right into it. First, I've already created a powerful master prompt for you guys, and you'll find it in the pinned comment below. Once you have it, simply copy the entire master prompt and open Claude AI. If you prefer ChatGPT instead, that's totally fine too. It works just as well. Once you're inside, paste the master prompt into the prompt box and hit send. Within just a few seconds, Claude AI will generate 10 unique video ideas for you. If you already have your own reference image, you can upload it as well. But for now, I want even more ideas because let's be honest, you can never have too many viral options. So I simply type more into the prompt box and hit send again. Just like that, Claude AI gives me another fresh batch of creative ideas. All right, this time I'm going with number 7, lion's mane bust. So I simply type 7 into the prompt box and hit send. Now, Claude AI asks, would you like to upload your own reference image? If you already have a reference image, simply upload it and continue. But I don't have any reference image right now, so I simply type do it yourself into the prompt box and hit send again. And just like that, Claude AI generates a detailed video prompt specifically for our video. Once you get the prompt, carefully copy the entire thing and open Google Flow AI. Once you're inside, switch to video generation mode, choose your preferred aspect ratio, and make sure you've selected the Omni Flash video model. Trust me, don't accidentally skip that part. After everything is set up, simply paste the video prompt into the prompt box and hit generate. The generation usually takes about a minute, so don't panic if it doesn't appear in 3 seconds. AI is fast, but it's not a magician, at least not yet. And boom! As you can see, our video has been generated. Just take a look at this. It looks incredibly satisfying, visually unique, and grabs your attention almost instantly. It's one of those videos people keep watching without even realizing it. Once your video is ready, simply download it in the highest resolution available. And by following this exact same workflow, you can create all kinds of different Thermocol DIY object videos. Just choose another idea, generate another prompt, and repeat the process. It's literally the same workflow over and over. So that's the entire process. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to subscribe to AI Xcentra so you never miss the next viral AI niche before it gets saturated. The early creators always have the biggest advantage, and I'd hate for you to miss the next opportunity. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.